ama-fans ayakhala kuthiwa athi ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs bengasiyona ipenalty liyana. Mase sibheke la siyambona uBlom umdlali weKaizer Chiefs lo bafethu wahamba wayephesheya wabuya usedlalela iKaizer Chiefs right now. uBlom wenzani na? Useboxini ubamba umdlali weOrlando Pirates okumfuking. Umbamba kephi? Umbamba isandla, umbamba nangala. Yabo, umbamba kephi? Eboxini. Ithini imithetho yebhola mase siyoyivakashela imithetho yebhola asameni soyibheka imithetho yebhola. Kuthiwa lana in football a referee can play advantage in the penalty area if they believe the non-offending team will have a clear chance to score a goal. If the advantage doesn't happen, the referee will stop play and restarts with a penalty kick. Again, so in football, a referee can play advantage in penalty area if they believe the non-offending team have a clear chance of scoring a goal. Menibheka lapha umfuking la ubebaleka ngempela. But uref akayishanga indweba la ngoba umfuking ubeya kokora. Yabo. Ubeya kokora akayishanga indweba. Yabo. Uyishaya indweba ngoba umfuking kwenzaleni uphazamisekile cause ushwebile yabo. Ushwebile uphazamiswe yinjobe eshwebile. Asibuyele emuva uphazamiswe yinjobe eshwebile. Ophazamiswe ukubanjwa phela. Ubanjiwe wathi umfuking. Uzokhahlela kanjani kahle ebanjiwe. Yabo, urefi ke wathini uyayibeka ipenalty. Ukuba umfuking akathintwanga wangaba khona icontact, ngaba kusiyona ipenalty. Yabo. Angazi noma ngiyihumusha kahle yini noma mhlawumbe ukhona ongangihumushela kahle lama rules lawa because ama rules lawa abekiwe. Yabo, asamsobheka khona umunye okwayibhale lapha. Yabo. Bhaliwe la ka Reddit la kuthiwa can you play advantage for a foul in 18-yard box. uReddit la khona umuntu owaphendula la kuthiwa yes, a referee can play advantage for a foul in a penalty area, but it is rare and must be handled carefully. The referee will allow play to continue if the immediate and clear opportunity to score a goal. Jwani mbonile umfuking ubenayo opportunity to score a goal. Yabo. Such as when the ball falls to a teammate in a better position. If the advantage does not materialize within 2 or 3 seconds, njoba nibonile nje umfuking uthe ebanjwa urefa washaya impempe wakhahlela umfuking. In ukuthiwa lana if the advantage does not advantage le uref ayibekile, if the advantage does not materialize within 2 or 3 seconds, the referee can still call the foul and award the penalty. Yabo. However, a serious foul play or a violent conduct may require stopping play immediately. If uBlom umhlabile immediately umfuking bekuzoba ipenalty engenayo advantage, but leya umbambile umfuking wathi kanje. Yabo, umfuking uthe mbamba umfuking wathi kanje. Wakhahlela kumfuking ibhola lakhishwa. Uref wathini penalty because yabo. But ke ungayidecipher ngokwakho lenkulumo. But menikhumbula kahle, menikhumbula le derby le. Kune derby yake sekuyadlalwa kusakhona uPuli noLodge kweOrlando Pirates. The same player owabamba umdlali weOrlando Pirates. The same player. I don't know, maybe uBlom unenkinga nokubamba abadlali eboxini and lento le izokhosta kakhulu team. Yabo. Last time uBlom abayitholanga iPirates ayitholanga ipenalty. I don't know if uref wayerefa leyo match leyo way against the Orlando Pirates or what, because after the Orlando Pirates players shouted at the referee claiming it was a penalty, the referee dished up a yellow card to Orlando Pirates players. If you remember this game, you would understand ukuthi lo ref namhlanje uwafolowile ama rules. If you remember this game, ama fans amaningi Orlando Pirates akhala kakhulu because ayiclaim ukuthi kwakuyi penalty le.